Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to share your cart on Shein. Open up the Shein app. Click on Cart from the bottom bar. Now click to add products in the wish list. Then open the wish list to see the items you added. You have two types in the wish list: items or boards. Tap on boards from the wish list. Click to create a new board. Enter the name of your board as Cart 2 or whatever you want. Then select the items you want to add on board. After that, click on the Add to Board button. You can tap on Share icon to share the cart you just created. You can share it on any social media platform, or you can click on More to see a variety of platforms where you can share the board. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.